Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to be recording, a bit of background information, real fast. So, earlier today, I was doing a live stream, right? And then I had an idea. So, I decided to do something stupid. I asked people for game ideas, which didn't turn out as bad as it could have, but anyways, the game idea that I liked most that was given to me was minigames. So I'm going to make a minigames game. I'm going to put it in my EasyJ Games group, which is it's my group that belongs to me. I don't really own any others 100%. If that makes any sense. But the game is called EasyJ Minigames. By the end of this series, I will have it released, and you guys will be able to play it. And I guess let's just get into it. This is going to be a complicated game, actually, just because it's kind of hard to code minigames. I am going to ask one of my friends, Fake Robert 2, to build the map for me, because I'm a terrible builder. And I might ask my friend Battlekins to do the GUIs. But other than that, I'm going to do everything myself. Like, I'm going to code everything. I guess let's get started. I don't even know what I want the first minigame to be. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have my friend Battlekins do the GUIs. I might not have Fake Robert 2 do the map. I might have Epic Chicken 31 do it, but hopefully I'll do it myself. I mean, no, not myself. Hopefully I'll have Fake Robert do it, just because he also knows how to use Blender, which would make life easier for map building, you know? I don't know. Anyways, enough of me talking about random things that is not relevant to the game. I mean, it is relevant to the game, but it's not important, and I've probably lost like 50 viewers. So to the 4 people who are still watching, if you like Roblox, and if you like watching people make games, like Roblox games, and things like that, if you like Roblox, you might want to subscribe, I don't know. I mean, probably, you don't have to, but you can, and I suggest doing it. But anyways, I'm gonna actually start the video now instead of just kind of flying around and doing nothing. For now, the lobby is just gonna be, I don't even want to try, it's just gonna be this. The lobby is literally, I'm gonna make it that, and I'm gonna even use the Roblox grass material, which looks terrible. But one thing that I will do to actually make it look decent temporarily, I don't do this very often, but fill grass, and then I gotta scale this, or change this somehow. How do you do this? Oh, resize, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the wavy grass under it, using terrain. So that might work. Why is the snap-to-grid on this so bad? No idea, but anyways, here we go. I guess that works. Then do I scale it up one? No, that doesn't work. Fill, grass, fill. Oh, that didn't work. Undo, move, where is it? See, this is what I mean. I can't, Alright, I'm not even gonna try anymore. I give up. I don't want to do it. It's probably gonna be deleted anyway. So, for the first minigame, what do you think it should be? Or what do I think it should be? I don't know. Thinking of minigame ideas, I don't know why, but I feel like it's just gonna be hard for me. Oh great, now the video is just 5 minutes of me doing nothing, pretty much. Please don't unsubscribe or anything. No, I'm joking, it's fine, it's your choice, but anyways, I'm gonna actually try to think of a minigame and then start trying to make it. Obviously, I'm gonna make the maps really bad. I'm gonna just call this a lobby. Everything will look bad until my friends help me with the looks. I'm just coding. All I'm gonna be doing is coding, pretty much. So yeah, give me a minute to think of an idea. How does Epic Minigames do this? How do the creators of Epic Minigames do this? Thinking of minigame ideas is like so hard for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah. Anyways. Oh yeah, I'm gonna actually also have to code a system where if there's some mini games that can be played by just one player, and then other mini games you have to have multiple players and they just won't load in. I guess that works. That shouldn't be too difficult. Also, I had an idea for the first game. Very simple. All it's gonna be is a plane, not like an airplane, but like a plane. If you know what a plane is, not an airplane again. Like, sure, that works. Is the size even? No. Why don't I go 100, 100? Alright, that works. And then for reference, throw in this. Where did it go? Hello? Oh, it just didn't load in yet. Alright, so yeah, that's a decent size. So, my idea is you just, you get a sword and you attack people. Dying will always take you back to the lobby, even if you reset. I might disable resetting, but I have no idea how to do that. I don't know why. I should learn it, but, like, I don't know. I've never spent the time to look it up. Anyways, I'm gonna actually start making the minigame now. You know what the sword's gonna be? It's gonna look really good. It's gonna be a metal part. Perfect. Is that not beautiful? Beautiful sword? Right? 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 Okay, actually though, I'm not gonna model anything. I'm gonna just kinda make placeholders. This doesn't even look good. Call this handle. We gotta add a tool to the workspace. Tool, throw the handle in. Call this sword. Throw it in the dummy. The tool grip sucks. Plugins. Tool grip editor. Edit. Move it like that works, I guess. For now. Close that. Take the sword again. Add another part. And then make this a hitbox. So, gotta grab only the part. Alright, I have the hitbox done. As you can see, why does Studio lag? Every time I pause or unpause the recording, it's really annoying. Anyways. Actually, that might be a little too big. I'm gonna fix that a little bit. That looks alright. I think that's good. I might change it if we get once I have a different model, but for now that's good. And I'm gonna... This is gonna be difficult to code, isn't it? Yeah, it will be. I'll use the same sword for every minigame that has a sword, I guess. So I can put this in server storage. And that way I can just conveniently use the same sword for any minigame that has a sword. And then for this particular minigame, all you're going to be doing is fighting players. So I'm going to make the sword actually work. Which shouldn't be too hard. Just a little bit of coding. And animating. I gotta animate too. Let me make an animation real fast. Alright, this looks good. Why is it lagging? Why does it just... Oh my gosh. Sorry. Stop lagging. Alright? Stop. Okay. Does this look good? This animation? I feel like it does. You just kinda smack. If a player was spamming it as fast as they could, it would look like this. Just because of the way I'm gonna make it. I think that looks good. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna unloop it now. Now I just gotta code the other things. Oh yeah, also, just a tip. If you're making an animation for anything ever, if it's for like swinging an item, you always have to set the animation priority to action or it will not work. Alright? And then publish to Roblox, and then you won't be able to see this, so I'm gonna just pause the recording. Alright, now we just gotta code it. Oh my gosh, why does it just lag so hard? It's so annoying. It's still lagging. Stop lagging. Please. Stop. Okay. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It's really annoying. Anyways, I'm gonna actually just code this sword real fast. It'll be a pretty simple script. Alright, I got all of the timing. What I did was I just did some calculations for exactly how long you're going to be swinging and like how long it is before you can actually hit and how long it is for the whole animation to play before you can do the second one. So these are all just variables. Next I need to actually make everything work, but that should be pretty simple. think this works, right? Should work. I just realized that I might have unpaused the recording a few times and paused it again. Sorry about that. Hopefully it wasn't too bad. Hopefully it's alright. I'm lagging again. Alright, I've stopped lagging. Anyways, this should work. All this does is makes it so that you can only swing it when it's equipped. And then when you swing it, it just kind of does a series of timing. And then all I have to do now is kill script that has an extra thing added to check if it's able to hit. And if it can, then it kills whatever it hits. So if I throw this into the starter pack, unless there's an error, which there probably is, I play here, this should work. So that's good. Okay, that's a problem. Let's see if it kills the dummy at least. No. Oh, I'm stupid. I checked if the tool got touched, not the hitbox. Also, I noticed that I need to make these can collide off and massless on. Now, I'm really dumb. Sword, not sword dot touched. Sword dot. No, I can just go hitbox dot touched. Wait, did I not? Oh, local hitbox equals sword dot hitbox. There we go. Alright, this should all work. Hopefully. Except it's still not playing the animation, I just realized. So what's the thing that load animations requires oh. I forgot to put in an asset ID into the animation. I copied it, but I didn't paste it in the animation. Now will it work? This is proof that I'm really terrible at doing things right. What's wrong now? But it isn't empty. What? I put it in. Oh, oh my gosh. Why? Why is it not there? Paste it in, enter. There. It is there. I am certain it is there. Will this work? Okay, what's the problem now? Oh, it was just being laggy. Alright. It's not. Oh, it also does do damage. One issue that I have noticed, just need to change animation a little bit, but it needs to rotate more, I think. Like it needs to actually rotate more than it already does. Maybe I can also rotate the hand. There. That looks alright still. Alright, let me update the animation. You're not gonna be able to see what I'm doing, obviously. It just pops up and you can't see it. But essentially, I'm just overwriting the old animation with this one. And now, everything should work, maybe? Probably not. Maybe. I mean, it worked before, so why am I saying probably not? It's just the animation wasn't the best. Alright, that's actually a lot better already. Like, actually, And the timing's good. Alright, yep, that is the sword done, other than the model, obviously. Now, one thing, I need to make it, I just need to set the spawn point to the lobby, which is simple. I just gotta insert a spawn point. Why is there a random points folder? Also I need to make a folder called folder, and then name the folder itself mini games. Fight. Need to not have spaces. Game map. Alright, there you go. The sword goes in server storage. And this goes in mini games. But also I need to add another folder for each mini game. Call this one sword fight mini game. Obviously there will be more than one part, but essentially what this does, here actually let me delete the base plate. Alright, so it'll just load it in when I load the minigame in, when I move it out of the workspace. So put that in minigames. If I put minigames in server storage, it disappears. And if I put it back in workspace, it appears. So I'm gonna just do a little script really fast, just to show you something. So if I go wait 10 script.parent equals game.workspace, that will essentially just make it pop up once I load in. Like once I get into the game, 10 seconds later it'll just appear. I'm really dumb. For one, I need to anchor this, and for two, I need to anchor this, and now it'll work. Wait, unless I just unanchored something that already was anchored. But if you just wait for a minute, it'll pop up, or it should. Now I'm starting to doubt myself. Has it been 10 seconds? Did it just pop up? Okay, I think I unanchored this. No? This is anchored. What? I'm confused now. I don't see it. Why are there two things called points? I just watched the workspace. Let's see it. What? I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, it'll work, but essentially all it does is it moves that to the workspace. It should work fine. I don't know why it wasn't before, but and then this game is actually gonna be really complicated. I'm gonna have to organize stuff really well. I'm gonna put in spawn point, spawn location, move it into the sky, anchor it, it's already anchored, transparency 1, can collide off, it's not going to be the greatest, but it will teleport you back to the spawn when you die, obviously. Sorry about the loud sound. I don't know how loud it was, but yeah. And then I gotta delete the decal and turn can collide off. It already is off. Now, if I played the game, it should work, right? Yep, I spawned right here. And if I die, I should spawn in the same spot. I don't know why that thing before wasn't working. And as of the client, I cannot interact with server storage. Actually, though, if I switch to server view, how do I do this? Test. Oh, I go to the server. In server storage, I see these things. If I put them into the workspace, as you can see, it appears. So a script that does that for me should work. And then I just can put this back into server storage. And if I drag this out into the workspace, and then go back to the client, it is there on the client. And then I can actually drag this into server storage on the client, I think. But it didn't have it in the server, obviously, because it's client side. Anyways, enough of that. Enough of talking about things that don't make any sense. I don't know. I guess this video is just me making a sword. Subscribe if you want to see more. I'm going to end the video. But, I will try to get a lot more done next time. And probably before the next video starts, I'll have some stuff looking better. I'm not sure, but hopefully. Well, I don't know. I'm not certain, but I might have it looking better before the next video. I'll probably do one video of this every day. I guess that's it. Bye. I know this video was kinda just me making a sword and then trying to do stuff, but in the next one I'll actually do more stuff. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see the rest of the series, I guess, so you can find it more easily. Turn on notifications if you want to be notified. Leave a comment if you want to, like if you want to, subscribe if you want to. And to the one person who's still watching, congratulations, you heard what I just said. Bye.